What's the meaning of abstain? Abstain. 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 To abstain means to choose not to do something, especially something that is considered to be harmful or wrong. It can also mean to refrain from voting in an election. When someone abstains, they are making a conscious decision to not participate in an activity. There are many reasons why someone might choose to abstain, such as religious beliefs, personal convictions, or a feeling that they do not have enough information to make an informed decision. Here are some examples of when someone might choose to abstain. A person who abstains from alcohol may do so because they believe it is harmful to their health. A person who abstains from voting may do so because they do not believe that any of the candidates represent their views. A person who abstains from sex may do so because they are waiting until marriage. Abstain can be a difficult decision, but it is one that should be made based on personal beliefs and values.